In Hong Kong, we have 70% of green areas preserved. We were blessed with such amazing nature. Still, plastic waste and soil contamination remains an enemy to sustainable development. As architects and designers, how can our building method work with nature instead of against it?
Computational biophilia is a project that confronts the crisis of soil degradation by proposing a radical new form of architecture, a transient, bioactive structure designed to nurture bacteria essential for soil healing. By integrating biomimicry design, digital fabrication, and material engineering, our team prototyped a future where the built environment is not an extractive force, but a participatory agent in ecological recovery. Our project, Computational Biophilia, is a fundamental rethinking of how we approach design in an age of ecological crisis. We are standing at a crossroad. For a century, Hong Kong's growth faced south. Now our gaze turns north. This is a northern metropolis. At the same time, it is a fragile ecology with a pivotal moment. As architects, we are trained to be excited by construction, but this moment demands more. We have a singular opportunity to ask, what should the future of this region look like in 30 years?
Hello everyone, my name is Yao Yao, and I'm currently teaching applied robotic fabrication at the Butler School of Architecture at University College London. It's a pleasure to exhibit our project Computational Biophilia at the UABB2025 in Hong Kong. Computational Biophilia is the installation that explores a biomimetic reactor for soil remediation, made from a biodegradable plastic grown by microorganisms. Through this work, we are imagining how sustainable manufacturing can evolve, combining nature, design, and technology to build systems that are both resilient and regenerative.
Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Rivera Salaverri. I'm an architect, digital designer, and teaching assistant at Universidad Ricardo Palma, based in Lima, Peru. Biomimicry in design is not about copying nature's shapes. It's more about understanding and applying its underlying principles. Our goal was to create a system that is both ecologically performative and culturally resonant. We did not begin with a biological form by itself, but more with a cultural one, a traditional Chinese pattern. This pattern was not chosen as a mere decorative motif, but as a formal generator. It's a recognizable, meaningful element that carries identity. One part is made from PHA, a fully biodegradable biopolymer. This is the transient, living part of the system that interacts directly with soil and microbes. The other part is made from PLA, a more stable bioplastic. This forms the permanent and stable skeleton, designed to guide and support the PHA components as they naturally disappear.
大家好，我是来自中海麦的发展手，很高兴呢有机会与 Provide 瑶瑶以及卡斯的团队合作，一起来拓展环保生物材料 PHA 在城市建筑以及城市发展场景中的一个应用。这是我们的 PHA 产品，它呢是微生物利用碳水化合物为底部发酵而得到的一种高分子聚合。它呢可以在自然环境中呢被微生物分解和利用。它呢具有良好的生物相容性以及可调控的稳定性。
My name is Felix Leung. To understand our planet's health, I focus on three things: ecology, pollution data, and soil health. My work from investigating the rainforests in Indonesia and to an icy water of Antarctica with the British Antarctic Survey has shown me that our environmental challenges are deeply interconnected. The health of our forests, the quality of our air, and the vitality of our soil are all part of one big ecosystem. That's why my focus has always been on turning this scientific understanding into tangible actions.
We believe that healthy soil is the key to sustainable solution. Here at Farm Solution, key practice we employed is reintegrating beneficial microorganisms back into the soil with quality compost. We are happy to receive an invitation from Provision's team on an experiment to explore the degradation of PHA structures in our farm to improve soil health. We hope this collaboration can promote more ecological ways of farming within dense urban cities.
To ensure this project remains grounded, we are launching a citizen scientist program. This transformed the project from a top-down algorithmic intervention into a collaborative, community-driven inquiry. We will be working with residents and local stakeholders to collect and analyze data together, as well as co-designing the next stage structure by integrating vernacular knowledge in sustainable habitat and local cultural motives. This work demands a radical reimagining of the role of the architect. We must shift from conquering nature to cultivating it. In an era of rising generative culture, how do we ensure our algorithms are not just efficient, but also culturally literate and ecologically empathetic? This prototype is a first step. It is an attempt to synthesize human-machine interaction, creating a form of computation that is sensitive to both artificial and natural factors. We sincerely thank all of our partners and sponsors, especially the Bi-City Biennale of Urbanism Architecture Hong Kong, for commissioning this project. We welcome you to join us in this exploration. Get in touch with us via the QR code.